Two Crazy AI brings you the important AI news we've curated today. Google announces AI data centers in space. OpenAI is releasing a series of new models. Germany invests 1 billion euros in Europe's largest AI center. Perplexity fights back against Amazon's legal threats. And Iceland launches nationwide AI education pilot. Let's dive into today's developments. Google just unveiled an audacious moonshot, Project Suncatcher, building AI data centers in space. Why? Because solar radiation provides 100 trillion times more power than all of humanity's electricity production. Google has already tested TPU chips in particle accelerators for radiation resistance, and they passed. Next step, partnering with Planet to launch 2 prototype satellites in early 2027, each equipped with Trillium-generation TPU chips. Here's the game changer. Google's analysis shows that by the mid-2030s, launch costs could drop below $200 per kilogram, making space data centers potentially cheaper than building on Earth, with zero water and electricity consumption. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman posted a brief but explosive tweet on X. OpenAI is releasing a series of new models soon. Notice, a series, not just one. What does this mean? Could be GPT-5? Specialized models for code, reasoning, or multimodal tasks, or efficient versions for enterprise deployment. Details are scarce, but considering how ChatGPT and GPT-4 transformed millions of people's workflows, this new model series release will likely reshape the AI industry landscape once again. Europe is taking a major step in the AI infrastructure race. Deutsche Telekom and Nvidia are building one of Europe's largest AI computing centers in Munich, deploying 10,000 latest-generation Nvidia Blackwell GPUs across over 1,000 DGX B200 systems. This privately funded project, exceeding 1 billion euros, will boost Germany's AI capacity by 50%. This isn't just about computing power, it's about data sovereignty. European companies like SAP, Polaris, and Agile Robots can train AI models with local data without sending it overseas. Applications include factory digital twins, robotics training, and on-premises large language models. This is a David versus Goliath story in the AI era. Perplexity publicly disclosed receiving aggressive legal threats from Amazon, demanding they prohibit users from using Comet AI shopping assistant on Amazon's website. Perplexity's response? Publishing a blog post titled, "Bullying is not innovation." This isn't just about one AI tool. It's about a fundamental question. Do users have the right to use their chosen AI assistants when browsing any website? Perplexity argues this is a core principle of internet openness. Amazon clearly disagrees, seeing it as a threat to their user experience and business model. This conflict's outcome could set crucial precedents for how AI tools and traditional tech giants coexist. Iceland is making education history with AI. Anthropic partnered with Iceland's Ministry of Education and Children to launch one of the world's first comprehensive national AI education pilots. This isn't a small experiment. It covers the entire country, from the capital Reykjavik to the most remote villages, with hundreds of teachers getting Claude access. The goal? Free teachers from paperwork and administrative tasks so they can focus on teaching itself. Teachers can use Claude to prepare lessons, analyze complex texts, solve math problems, with support in Icelandic and multiple languages. As Iceland's education minister said, AI will persist, developing at an astonishing pace. It's important to harness its power while preventing harm. Today's craziest question: when tech giants and governments start pouring massive funds into ultra-large-scale AI infrastructure, what should startups do? Google's building data centers in space. Germany's investing 1 billion euros in computing centers. These are games startups can't afford to play. So what strategy would you choose? Build, rent, or ally? What's your choice? See you in the comments. Two Crazy AI. More craziness tomorrow.